The world of artificial intelligence is buzzing with activity, and a recent development has sparked a lot of discussion: the Deepseek R1 AI. This technology has been described as an AI bubble, raising questions about its potential impact and what it means for the future of AI. In this video, we'll dive into what Deepseek R1 is, why it's causing a stir, and what it might mean for the broader AI landscape. Part 1. What is Deepseek R1? Deepseek R1 is a large language model, LLM, developed by Deepseek AI. It's designed to process and generate human-like text, much like other well-known LLMs. However, Deepseek R1 has been making waves due to its claimed performance and efficiency. Part 2. The AI bubble term explained. The term AI bubble suggests that the current excitement and investment in AI may be overhyped, similar to the dot-com bubble of the late 1990s. Deepseek R1 is being discussed in this context because its rapid advancements and claimed capabilities are seen by some as potentially unsustainable or overblown. Part 3. Deepseek R1's claimed capabilities. Deepseek AI claims that R1 can perform on par with some of the most advanced closed-source models, while also boasting greater efficiency and lower costs. This has led to comparisons with leading models from companies like OpenAI. Part 4. The efficiency factor. One of the key aspects of Deepseek R1 is its focus on efficiency. The developers claim to have achieved high performance with significantly fewer computational resources, which could have major implications for the accessibility and affordability of advanced AI. Part 5. Open source and accessibility. Deepseek AI has emphasized the open source nature of some of its work, which is a significant factor in the AI community. Open source models can democratize access to advanced AI, allowing researchers and developers to build upon and improve them. Part 6. The potential impact on the AI industry. If Deepseek R1's claims are accurate, it could disrupt the AI industry by offering a more cost-effective and efficient alternative to existing models. This could lead to increased competition and innovation. Part 7. Skepticism and critical evaluation. As with any major technological advancement, Deepseek R1 is facing scrutiny. Experts and researchers are evaluating the model's performance and claims, and there is a healthy debate about its true capabilities and potential. Part 8. The broader context of AI development. Deepseek R1 is part of a larger trend in AI development, where companies and researchers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This includes advancements in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Part 9. The future of large language models. Large language models like Deepseek R1 are expected to play a major role in the future of AI. They have the potential to transform various industries, from customer service and education to content creation and research. Part 10. Conclusion. Deepseek R1 represents an exciting development in the world of AI. Whether it truly signifies an AI bubble or a genuine breakthrough remains to be seen. However, it's clear that this technology is sparking important conversations about the future of AI and its potential impact on society.